Certainly. Here's a summary of Crime and Punishment that retains its core themes and structure. The novel follows Rodion Raskolnikov, a former law student living in extreme poverty in St. Petersburg, Russia. Driven by desperation, he develops a philosophical belief that society is divided between extraordinary and ordinary people, where the extraordinary have the right to transgress laws if it serves a higher purpose. This belief leads him to commit a brutal crime. He murders a pawnbroker, an old woman, hoping to steal her money and use it to improve his life and support his struggling family. However, Raskolnikov fails to justify his actions to himself, and he becomes trapped in a psychological struggle between guilt and his philosophical ideas. This inner conflict is central to the story, and he spirals into guilt and paranoia. He begins to find solace in an unexpected relationship with Sonia, a poor but compassionate and religious young woman who helps him confront his conscience and see the flaws in his thinking. In the end, Raskolnikov faces justice and decides to confess to his crime. His suffering in prison allows him to understand the importance of repentance, setting him on a path toward redemption and spiritual transformation. The novel delves into complex themes of good and evil, justice, mercy, and the limits of the human conscience.